news na sense meli ya yupase
Akorwasi Chinsa Mochama Chingumba no Simole Tokoroka diaspora amogo tunyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke
Utarasoka ku nyumba mwao ni mambia yao nigera umchurie Amayia Ndizi TV. Ndizi TV obwenso bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikirundekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekigo korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu vuomugusi
ngencho eruse yego chikoba erenyenge na abana banyigari nyererete mono enataka gotebya Bible abana buna bagocha mo bapoke buya na intunko batuma tole buya kurwe school morigereri chi report form cyabo mororenga ibakora buya morora sobo kongubule mugambe na abana sobwagale mechando kibabwate na inde na kitura bwatera ne mechande yo egere school chiko igorwa omoiboli nabo gocha ororo mwalimu okogendese school omwana osoma ororo mwalimu mugambe mechando ya mwana
sabaria yichi kilomita chinyinge ni yego chaka nekerengererio kyo gikubikirwa mukia yaunchuka nakoba obwonjoreria obubokororekana asumurubilyo gwesabaria yobonjoreria nigo tokwemanya amanke igoro yogo chako obonjoreria koremereria na boigo kumanya ebitango biria biraroro boigo nigo tokwidira igoro yabaria baikiranire neganka yabo yobokoro obonjoreria bwebirenko bigoro
mwancho muri na kwarira rime yo murubiri gwesabari yobonjoreria murubiri kwa yetu na inche Ndemo Steven
umerana na Steven Ndemo kirituko rya lamisi enseye muninsu ya Maragoba na boigo mwiroro rituko rya Jumatatu Chinsa Isano ni Ibere ni chidegeka 15 chia mogaso Amayia Ndizi TV Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi
Omwancho maligereria na kwariganire byakigima semesa ya mangana maya ekero charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso chitariki ni 15 na Ibere omutenye no yo 12 omwaka bwechiri wibere na 20 noyomo kuyanyora yaiga amana yanda mange na bogotobwate wetera senchira ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News na Twitter tonyore @Ndizi TV News na YouTube na tole live buna Ndizi TV News na mange na kwariganiria sense iga yabono aninko gosabobe na inche goika omalyo kwiranande asegekege kekerobosyo nkumanyinga narariaya atikire na kwareganire naende nchini gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita omo waziri w'oburendi waime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo bona atebire oburendi nigo bogenderete kwenekigwa na guting'igwa imeyense ya Kenya nigo bona ababuririe abamenyi kurwa sensemo ya gusi koba maiso na wakoroboti ronde rwensi gucia sabagambi ekero barorire omonto batamanyetie waigo nigamenta goteba buna oburendi nigo borengete abantu bonsi imeyense
and they are with us. That's why we in the security sector are not taking leave, because the president has decided we all must keep watch. We are surrounded by challenging environments. Our neighbors have got various challenges, and some of them have become a route through which we are dealing with some security challenges. Let us all be alert. And let us not delude ourselves that if you are living in a village, you are not going to be affected. A fellow who blew themselves up, it was in Yakach, in a village, the other day. And those kinds of challenges can happen even in villages. So be very careful. If you see people around you do not know, please let the chief, the assistant chief, the police team know, Mbakumi, so that we are able to deal with such people in good time. We want to all remain safe. We are all stakeholders in the security sector. We will be as safe as we all cooperate and work together to keep safe. We have some challenges. We have mapped out the country. Areas where we are dealing with peculiar challenges like Marsabit, North Rift around the Kerio Valley, and so on. We are looking into those as isolated areas with their unique challenges, and we will resolve them to ensure that the country in totality remains safe across the festive season.
No murwanereri w'ekiama gia Jubilee kurwase kaunti ya Taita Taveta ewodi ya Mahu aselieta Donald Fundi niganyore tobobui magega yokomobwa omwamereri oye oimekegima kurwase kiama kia UDA okorokwa Daniel Kimuyu abwase Fundi anyorete chikura elibweye mone chimisano ne mona kianda ase Kimuyu nere anyorete chikura elibweye mochimisato na merongo etano na isano na isato nonya nabo asobacholi obu chibura buru ncha negatiwe korende omorembe no iranererete egento kirerete chikurecho kogenderera libagelyo nigoli atigotwe wasi magega yo mo MCA omukoro bwenseme yo Ronald Sagurani osirio bogima bwaye kubwatikana nebinyinyi bya COVID-19 omutenyi ogatano na gatatu.
Fundi Salere of ID number 10396358 has been duly elected as the member of County Assembly for Maho Ward of Taita Taveta County.
Kuna siku nina furaha tena sana. Nafikiri ni usiku wa leo. Na furaha yangu ni kwamba yale yote tulioketi na mheshimiwa Naomi tukakubaliana kwanza wawili kwamba tunapoenda kwa uchaguzi huu strategy yetu ndio hii, tuianzie hapa tuipeleke mpaka hapa, ni kwamba yametimia. And I think today where the people of Maho are, wamekubali ya kwamba umoja ni nguvu, utengano ni udhaifu.
No waziri w'echisemi Professor George Magoha nigatebire amatemwa manene ayo abangire gucegokoreka umwaka ugocha niga gucegokoreka korengana buna arubereirie nigaya kwana ya chingaki aikirana aso kubekirwa gwechigutwa ase University ya Moi Kabarak ase county ya Nakuru omo senator we county ya Baringo omoske Gideon Moi waigona ikirana ase omoyegoyo.
Pronounce that the examinations are ready. They will be in March. So we have taken care of the element that you are doing this examination under these circumstances, and you have absolutely nothing to fear. The exam will not look for what you don't know. It just looks for what you know. And we must congratulate the government of Kenya.
Kenya National Commission for Human Rights and Validity Foundation assisted the university with funds for the conference. In grants for research and related activities, we received a generous grant from the Germany-based Heinrich Boll Foundation to fund research collaboration between Kabarak University School of Law and the Heinrich Boll Foundation. We acknowledge and appreciate Professor John Osogo Ambani, the Dean of School of Law, for attracting funding support for those organizations to the university. I would like us to appreciate the Dean, School of Law. Thank you very much, Professor Ambani. Please take a seat.
Support. I also wish to thank the parents, guardians, and partners for investing your hard-earned resources in the life of men and women graduating today. You made the right choice, and I'm sure you are not disappointed. Ladies and gentlemen, I conclude my remarks by wishing everyone Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless you all. God bless Kabarak University.
Nomo Regional Commissioner wa ensemo ya Rift Valley, George Natembea, nikobona arurege kurege tindi gocha sabara ibali bago kora siasa amaneli nani riamau. Natembea nigatebira buna televizia abana siasa kuna gukwanera igoro yeli nani riamau na likalia nikobagwanera tagukwanera amangana ali achandete abakenya babutambe emotuo bobocholi bogucha gokoreka umwaka bw'ikiri bibere na merongo ebere nebere.
Na hata wale watu ambao walikuwa wamedanganywa kwamba kuja wakaekaa pale wakiambiwa kwamba watakuwa settled. Mliona vile DP alisema kwamba hakuna mtu atarudi huko, raundi ya ukweli wa Mungu. Hakuna mtu atarudi huko. Hiyo ni conservation, conserve hiyo mazingira, kwa sababu hiyo mao nyinyi mnajua iko na benefit nyingi kwa jamii zote within Kenya and even beyond Kenya. And that's what tunaichukuliwa.
Ne county ya Kitui nigo ya chakirie umorobelio o universal health care ocha sabanto bonsi anene mono abanta bataka na bana chintakana nigo bagucha kulikia umorobelio bwe kadi ya NHIF abwasi baligetie gucha kubaikera abantu gwetania chiribu emerongo 53 mugamana bwe county yo ya Kitui Charity Ngilu nigacha cyumorobelio yo na gukwanira bene igoro yo morobelio yo.
We do expect that we can register up to 80,000 people. The teams are here. We are releasing them from tomorrow. We have 8 teams that will be covering different places in the 8 sub-counties.
Noyo kabeire omubunge omwingi Jo Mutambu nikobona atebire buna egesaku kyabakamba tikerigo chagotigwa isiko sobo cholibogo chabo mwaka w'ekiri bibere na merongo ebere nebere abwasa boliri abamenyi bensemeyo ya mwingi gochora barayibali barachiko bakorera magenderero na kubainyora buna barabukuru sensemo ya Bukamba.
Nataka mkumbuke uchaguzi uliopita wa 2017 tuliambia Wakamba muingie kwa serikali, amuku tusikiza, mukaanza kukimbia dakika ya mwisho. Nataka kuambia mapema, muangalie vile dalili ya mvua ni mawingu na muangalie mahali serikali iko. Sisi tuko tayari kuwapeleka kwa serikali.
Na basubati kurwa sense ya Afghanistan nigo bakora okurobekana kwa marembe ase okugania gukora obunereria bwa basubati sense yo nigo bateba buna nigo bakwetira obunereria bonene nemechando ao gati yabo okuboru endagera chigasi amo nebintu binde ense ya Afghanistan nigegendrete gwetira chisegi chintindi maiga yababegu ba Taliban koira eserikali. kurigereria ayungati aria ngenderete gukwariganiria nchigo kumanyana inda senchera yobwenge chigo chekoraga Chinsa 10 chiabono morogoba mbia mono sana wachora kurigereria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bwomogusi gendera kurigereria meroberi yaito etigarete nere imaiga ase TV yaito ya Ndizi TV nigonkwirana ringambi ya mono asomo director ne John Kibati naba aregani ba mangana maya muswati Janet Nyamamu na Brighton Makori ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Twitter.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakunikira ndekerene nego kurengera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonko bwogusi niji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nichi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV ubwensu uomogusi.
Mama, kwa nini wewe mgonjwa? Sijawahi kuona ukiwa vizuri.
Yani Mungu itumu ntukare moyo. Iburi ayo nayo mama na ukwane rubona kikwa